The best LEGO sets in April, in my opinion, from cheapest to most expensive. Let's go. Save this video for your future purchases. Germany postcard, $14.99. Available now. Brickheads, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle figures, $39.99. Available now. Star Wars Brickheads, The Mandalorian and Grogu allies and villains, $39.99. Releasing April 26th. Star Wars Darth Vader bust, $49.99. Releasing April 26th. Star Wars New Republic X-Wing Starfighter, $69.99. Available now. Star Wars Anzellan Starship, $74.99. Releasing April 26th. Star Wars Grogu Mandalorian Apprentice, $129.99. Releasing April 26th. LEGO Ideas Tintin Moon Rocket, $159.99. Available now. Super Mario, Mario Kart, Luigi and Mach 8, $179.99. Available now. LEGO Icons Douglas DC-3 Pan Am Airliner, $219.99. Available April 4th.